Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Target because I got some inklings that the Halloween stuff is out. So I wanted to take you along with me. So let's see what I get for my dining table, and I'll show you any other things that I get as well. So let's go shopping. Yay! So last night our weather kind of changed a little bit. We are known for like monsoons and stuff being in the desert, but we had a dust storm here last night. And I see broken trees back here. Like I'm pulling into the Target shopping center. This morning I had garbage like all over my front door. So I know like we had like one of those emergency like alerts that came on our phone, and it said a dust storm was coming. And I was like, whatever. I need to show you some of these trees. There's one tree down that I'm seeing, and another tree down. So it's not so drastic like a hurricane, which I see is coming very soon to the East Coast. So my heart and my thoughts are with you because I have family, and my son is in the path. He's in Virginia now on the coast. So I am thinking about all of you, and now I need to go do some shopping. Looks like they're starting to get all their Halloween stuff out, which is super exciting. But look at this jar, you guys, this bowl. Oh, I love it. Oh, I really love it. Got some cute little decor here. All their Halloween stuff is looking so cute. My kids always love these kinds of trays. And oh my gosh, you guys, so cute little things here and there, and little costumes. I love it. Oh, I used to get my kids these when they were younger. So fun. Maybe I'll get one for Ez. So at our Target, a lot of the school supply stuff is 50% off. So yes, I will look. I will look. Yes. These are little blocks where the kids can roll some dice. And let's see. $1.50. Yes. I got these last year and they were so good, you guys. I got them on the half off clearances last year. And I'm like debating if I should get a bag at regular price because they were so good. So while their dollar section was a little bit of a bust, I think I came too early. That's okay. I think I did find some stuff that I still want to share with you, but they also have lots of good clearance that I want to check out anyway. So let's take a look. So all of these end caps have some good stuff here. And if you look, it's like every third one is clearance. So now I have to go check them out. Getting in more steps in for today. Yay! Such cute stuff. Like that little Ottoman square cube is $15. And I'm loving these flowers. Oh my gosh. Such good stuff. Their Hearth and Home line from Magnolia. Oh my gosh. I have to show you. Look at the colors. These fall, and you have to see their display for the Halloween. It's just gorgeous, like the blacks and the linen and the gray, beige, hints of green. Yes. pantry door, and I love it, and I just change out the foliage. But oh my gosh, you guys, are like, this was a pricier one. This was 20 bucks, and it's still the same price. So, but they are adorable. So I just got home, and I'm so excited to show you everything that I got. So, and their prices, I can't wait to share. So I got all of these off their clearance at the dollar spot, so I thought it was half off. So these would have been $1.50 each. I love that one with the science. I thought those would be good for the classroom. This would be really good for just for snacks if we're just taking them out. It's divided, so I love that. You can see it says 3, so I got $1.50. And then these little cubes, good for sounds and addition, subtraction, just some fun games for Ezra and to do it in the classroom. And then I just thought I could add this into one of the works that I have. So all of these should have been about 50 cents or $1.50, mostly everything $1.50. When I went to the register, it all rang up as 10 cents each. You guys, that's like not even $1. I thought that was so awesome. So let me show you what I got that was regular priced. So regular price, these were on sale. So these were $5, $4.98. You can see they were half off. And so my thought is to use them as table runners. So you can see that there's like some fall, and then look at this. This could work for fall as well. And then I got Mrs. Meyer's. This is actually my favorite scent, apple cider. And then here's some other decorative things. I love this look. I got a gratitude jar, so I thought I could put that on the table for the boys, but one of those ones inside it challenged them to make a new friend today. And I thought, it said, look at, offer solutions instead of complaining. Hello. I love it. Just things to be grateful for. And then I got this for Ezra. He was so excited. Just a little $1. And these, okay, so excited about this. I have been seeing those and eyeing them for a while, but every time I go to my Target, they're always gone. So that was $3. I think it was $3. Yeah. And then I got this cute little succulent that looks like it's in a bell pepper, but I believe it's supposed to be a pumpkin. And if not, it's still so stinking cute. So all of that was about 30 bucks, you guys, because actually I originally went to get some ant baits. And that's all I got. So I wanted to show you what I did with what I bought today. So I have this, those are the dish towels that were used. I'm going to use those as more as like a centerpiece, like a table runner. I just kind of folded it in half. Looking good. And those are a lot of the things I had from last year. And here's just the last little set. I think that is super cute. I love how the little dish towel is kind of like a base for it. And I'm always trying to figure out how to cover these wires, but that's the best I can do for now. But I might move some of those things in front, but I just thought, so cute, right? I wanted to just show what I got from my Target haul today. I love that little house. So thanks for going with me to Target today and going through their dollar section. I love that area. I just wish I would have waited maybe about another week. So maybe you'll get more. Let me know in the comments if you love seeing those the dollar spots at Target hauls. I love them too. Okay, so thanks so much for coming with me shopping. And if you are going to be in the path of the Hurricane Dorian, just stay safe, stay dry, and if you're needing to evacuate, just know our family's hearts are with you and wish you to be safe. So let me know in the comments if you are being affected, and just know that we are caring about you. So thanks again for stopping by and watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite place to go and buy your fall fun decorative things. So have a great day and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.